The USA has perhaps one of the most powerful and professional military forces in the world. Most of the credit for this unprecedented strength is because of the immense focus on research and development. Heavy investment in R&D has allowed them to amass an arsenal of impressive weapons and heavy armament. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to tell you about some of America's most insane weapons. So, let us begin. Number 1. MQ-9 Reaper Drone. The Reaper has been available for nearly 20 years, but until recently, it was mostly utilized for intelligence and reconnaissance. F-16 squadrons are now being converted into completely unmanned drone fleets. With a wingspan of 84 feet, a takeoff weight of 7,000 pounds, a payload capacity of 3,000 pounds, and a flying duration of 36 hours, the Reaper is the biggest UAV in the US arsenal. The drone reaches a height of 52,000 feet and scans a license plate from a distance of almost 2 miles. The UAV fleet, which is capable of delivering 500-pound bombs, air-to-ground, and air-to-air missiles, is set to provide the majority of American air support. Number 2. Ohio-class submarines. The nuclear submarine of the Ohio class is a boomer that carries nuclear missiles. It is capable of delivering 10 Trident II D5 missiles. This three-stage, solid-fueled missile has a range of 4,000 nautical miles and can hit targets. The fleet consists of 14 boomers. The Ohio class has 2 crews that alternate on duty, allowing more submarines to participate in several patrols. The submarine spends an average of 77 days at sea every deployment. At sea, the boomers can simply be resupplied. The USS Pennsylvania set a new record for patrolling for 140 days in 2014. Some Ohio-class submarines have been modified to carry Tomahawk cruise missiles, enabling extra room for the deployment of SEALs for covert missions. Number 3. Ford-class supercarrier. The Ford class can transport 85 aircraft, which is more than the whole air force of certain countries. The F-35C Lightning II, E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, and V-22B Osprey aircraft, as well as the FA-18E and the FA-18F Super Hornet fighters and the EA-18G Growler electronic warfare plane, are all included. The new ship includes 2 nuclear reactors and 4 shafts, making it easier to maintain. It has a 33% higher sortie capacity than the Nimitz class. It has enhanced its power generation, allowing it to utilize directed energy weaponry in the future. On the Ford class, which employs electromagnetics instead of steam, the Navy has installed a new catapult mechanism and arresting gear. Number 4. F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is one of the world's most potent air superiority fighters. This 2-engine aircraft is capable of outclassing practically any opponent on the globe. Its power is precisely what has kept it from being sold to armed forces outside of the United States. Sensors, integrated avionics, situational awareness, and armaments combine to enable the first kill opportunity against adversaries. The F-22 Raptor has an advanced sensor package that allows the pilot to follow, identify, fire down, and eliminate air-to-air threats before they are discovered. The pilot's situational awareness is improved because of significant advancements in cockpit architecture and sensor fusion. The Raptor carries 6 AIM-120 AMRAAMs and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders in its air-to-air configuration. The F-22 engines have greater thrust than any other fighter engine currently in use. The F-22 can cruise at supersonic airspeeds, higher than 1.5 Mach, without utilizing an afterburner, thanks to its streamlined aerodynamic design and enhanced performance. This is known as supercruise. Number 5. GBU-57. The GBU-57, also known as the Massive Ordnance Penetrator, MOP, was designed to assault hardened concrete structures, especially those underground. The bomb measures 20.5 feet long and 31.5 inches in diameter. It weighs a whopping 30,000 pounds thanks to a steel casing that can purportedly penetrate up to 200 feet of concrete with a 5,000 pound per square inch reinforcement, PSI. A couple of years ago, the US military announced upgrades to the world's largest conventional bomb. These upgrades would reportedly have enhanced the bomb's ability to penetrate concrete structures and deliver a high explosive payload. Number 6. Lasers. The United States Army is on the verge of launching its first combat ready, high powered laser weapon. Over the summer, such a weapon was placed on a Stryker military vehicle and tested in a combat shoot off against a range of probable battle scenarios at Fort Sill, Oklahoma. The Army expects to get the first platoon of 4 laser mounted Strykers in early 2022. This weapon system will be able to take out all sorts of aerial objects ranging from attack drones to mortar shells. So, that was all the time we had today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. Till then, see ya.